Hi everyone, let me show you a little trick. People who, like boys, who like to sew or don't like to sew, don't have anyone to sew for them, and you have trouble putting the thread through that little hole. I'll show you a trick. You put the needle in your hand. Let me grab the needle in your hand like so. Alright, you make it tight. You take the little hole like this over the little thread here. You push on it and you rub it. You just rub it, rub it, rub it, rub it. And look what just happened. There you go. That's it. There you go. Try this next time and you won't have trouble threading needle ever again.